The RCA 20 is a battery-powered handheld pressure washer from STIHL. It's compact and ideal for small cleaning jobs, either at home or out and about. Part of the AS system of battery tools, the RCA 20 is powered by an interchangeable 10.8 volt battery that can also be used with all other tools in the AS system range, such as the ASA20 secateurs, GTA26 garden pruner and SEA20 hand vacuum. The RCA 20 comes fitted with a 4-in-1 multi-nozzle, which can be quickly changed between rotary, fan jet, narrow jet and spraying modes. It also comes with a spray lance extension, detergent spray set, plus a 5-metre suction hose with a filter, and a 20-litre water container bag for use when away from a water source. These accessories can all be stored in the handy carry bag, which comes with a pressure washer as standard. With a maximum pressure of 24 bar and a low weight of only 1.5 kilograms, the RCA 20 is effortless to use. Just plug in the battery, connect a hose or suction filter to the RCA 20 and away you go. And as it's battery powered, it means it isn't reliant on a power connection. It's a portable device that can be used anywhere from a campsite or bike trail to your garden to clean furniture, patios, barbecues and play equipment. To use it away from a direct water connection, simply attach the suction hose to the RCA 20 and place it in a water container or the supplied water container bag. The RCA 20 has a screen which shows the current charge level of a tool and can be switched to eco mode at the touch of a button if you need less cleaning power. If you already have the AS2 battery, the RCA 20 is available as a tool only. If you need an AS2 battery, the set version of the RCA 20 comes with 2 AS2 batteries and an AL1 charger. Both versions come with a carry bag of accessories too. On a fully charged AS2 battery, the RCA 20 has a working time of 15 minutes. A variety of STIHL cleaning detergents are available for the RCA 20 as well, which can be bought from your local STIHL approved dealer. When using the RCA 20, we recommend wearing goggles, gloves and sturdy shoes. Find out more at stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.